In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reply on Instagram message. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then go to DMs and open up some conversation. Now, in order to reply to some message, all you have to do is just hold down your finger at that message until it comes up, and then you can just select reply, and now you can comment on the message that you want to reply. You can type in here something and then just hit at send. That will actually repost that message with your comment. Also, you can reply in another way. Just find someone's message you want to reply and then just swipe to the right until this arrow comes up, and then just lift up your finger, write down a message and hit on send. If you want to reply your own message, you need to swipe to the left and then keep doing the same steps. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.